If I had lower back problem, this is what I would start with. See, I feel like as human beings, we are very good at making things complicated. And whenever you go to a health professional and you go for lower back, then everything starts piling up. Truth is, there's a lot of things you can start doing to start releasing the pain. And you guys know me by now, and if you don't know me, I'm James, body therapist and breath coach. And I'm not planning to give you, this is the best tip to get rid of your lower back pain in one go. No, but what I'm going to teach you now is it's an easy and simple way to reduce tension on the lower back by just focusing on the pelvis and releasing the tension around the pelvis. Let's get started. All right, so we're back for more releases. Now I'm going to show you how to release the hip muscles on the side, so the hip, the gluteus minimus and the gluteus medius. I use a small ball. If you have a tennis ball at home, that works also fine. Not as good as a lacrosse ball, because a lacrosse ball is very hard, so it's easier to really dig in the muscle and rehydrate the fascia. So where we're going to go now is we're going to take care of the hip bone. This is my ASIS bone. This is the hip bone. I'm going to go, if I do one tuck, I'm going to go right here first. Always hip bone, ASIS in the center right here. I put the ball here, go on my side, like I always say, bridge position. I'm gonna, with this foot here, or if I can push, I'm just gonna roll, lift a bit and get the ball right on the spot I want. And I'm gonna try to get my hip right above the other one and try to look for a tender spot. You see, I'm moving down a bit to get the ball a bit higher, and this is right there, there's a spot. So what I do, I take it easy first. If this is the epicenter is too much, I move up or down to try to have a pressure, a tenderness where I can control my breathing. I'm relaxed and my body is also in a relaxed position, okay? I can try to lift my knee up a bit, yes, and down, nice and easy. Now I'm lengthening the tissue and I'm relaxing. This feels good. This is very good. And you have different spots that you can hit with this ball. Try to hit them and take it easy. Don't try to go like I always say, more pressure does not mean more release. Keep that in mind. And if you cannot relax and you tense up your jaw, you will actually be unproductive, and what you're doing now is not really useful. Okay, so relax, enjoy the releases and keep it up. So how did that go? Most likely painful. If it's the first time you've done that, it's extremely painful. I managed to put my mom on these 2-3 years ago and she just swears by it now. So one thing you need to remember is that do not take this for granted, that every time you get something on lower back, a bit of tension, you do that and you do that. This is not going to fix everything in your body, but it's going to release tension. One thing extra you need to remember is if you do it once and it feels good for 2-3 hours, but then the pain goes back, do not overdo it. That means you need to look somewhere else. This was just 1 or 2% of the solution that you need to find, or we need to find together. Keep it up. Take care, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like the button or click on the like button. I always get confused, and see you guys around. Keep it up.